If you like rugged tool watches, this one might grab your attention. The latest version of the Fortis Marinemaster M-44 has just gone stealth mode. For the first time ever, Fortis introduces the Marinemaster with a DLC-coated case, creating two new models, Gravity Black and Black Resin. But beyond the dark aesthetic, this is still one of the most serious modern dive watches on the market. The name Marinemaster actually dates back to the 1950s, when Fortis used it for highly water-resistant watches designed for aquatic environments. Fast forward to 2021, when the brand relaunched the Marinemaster collection as part of its modern lineup. The goal was simple: create a go-anywhere, do-anything adventure watch built for both land and sea. And the M-44 quickly became the flagship model. The Fortis Marinemaster M-44 DLC Gravity Black and Fortis Marinemaster M-44 DLC Black Resin keep the same rugged construction that made the original M-44 so capable. The case measures 44mm diameter, 48mm lug-to-lug. Despite the size, it actually wears surprisingly compact on the wrist. This is a serious diver with 500 meters of water resistance. One of the most unique features is the dual crown system. You get a traditional screw-down crown at 3 o'clock, but there's also a second crown at 10 o'clock that locks the bezel in place. That works together with Fortis's gear bezel and lock system, giving the watch extra security during serious use. The biggest update this year is the DLC coating. Fortis uses a Denor DLC treatment, which dramatically increases the case hardness to about 4,500 Vickers. That's roughly 20 times harder than standard stainless steel, meaning it's extremely resistant to scratches and wear. Both versions look stealthy, but there's a subtle difference. The Gravity Black keeps uncoated crowns and screws, adding a bit of contrast. Meanwhile, the Black Resin version goes full stealth with blackened hardware. The dial remains classic Marinemaster. It features the distinctive embossed Fortis O pattern surrounded by a luminous ring and angled inner flange. The two versions differ mainly in their accents. The Gravity Black uses silver-toned hands and markers, giving it a modern, technical look. The Black Resin adds gold-colored hardware with beige superluminova, creating a warmer, vintage-inspired style. Inside the watch is the Fortis Caliber Work 11, produced by the well-known Swiss movement manufacturer Kinesi. This movement is COSC certified, meaning it meets official chronometer standards for precision. It runs at 4 Hz and delivers a very solid 70-hour power reserve, so performance is just as impressive as the watch's tough exterior. Both models come on an FKM rubber strap with Fortis's signature pattern and are part of the permanent collection. The price is around €4,950. If you're looking for a serious dive watch with modern engineering, extreme durability, and a stealthy aesthetic, the new Fortis Marinemaster M-44 DLC editions definitely stand out. And between the two, it really comes down to one question: do you prefer the cooler Gravity Black or the warmer Black Resin?